Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add card to Revolut. So let's get into the video. Open up Revolut. So once you open up Revolut, log into your account. So I've logged into mine. So if you want to add card, then you got to add some money to your Revolut so that you can add your card through by adding money. So hit on add money. When you click on add money here, type in an amount that you wish to add. So just type that, and then here is the payment method. Hit on change, click on the change option. So when you get to change option here, you will see all the available payment methods here. So what we're going to do, we're going to simply click on add card securely. Click on add card securely. So now here all you have to do is simply add in your card details. So whatever card that you wanted to add, so just add in the card details and hit on continue and complete the process. So this is how you can add a card to Revolut. So it's pretty a straightforward process. So I hope this video has been helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.